Hello parents, welcome back to the parenting series. We at Matrix High School, we are trying our small little efforts to make your journey a little more comfortable, fruitful and successful as parents. So today I'm going to talk about some small 7 basic rules that we as parents can teach our children so that our children are kind, confident and happy individuals. First and foremost, we need to teach our children to be kind. Kind to themselves, kind to others, kind to even the nature. So this can be done by small acts of kindness which we will have to role play as parents so that our children copy us, so that our children believe that this is how one should be. So kindness will add kindness. Let's teach our children to make mistakes and let's tell them that making mistakes is okay. I've talked quite often about this making mistakes because I feel that we as parents, we always want our children to be perfect. लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत important है कि हम उन्हें गलतियाँ करने दें because गलतियों से ही वो सीखेंगे. So let's make making mistake a very normal affair of life so that they are always ready to learn from the mistakes. So when we talk about mistakes, the third thing that we can teach them and we must teach them is sach bolna, to be truthful. It is very important. But this is possible only when we allow them to make mistakes and when we allow them to come and tell us what has gone wrong. ये तभी possible है जब हमारे बच्चे को ये पता हो कि मम्मी पापा को बताना safe है, ताकि उनको ये पता हो कि हर गलती के लिए punishment नहीं मिलेगी. Then they'll start telling you the truth, which is going to be very important for their own well-being. So let's teach them to be truthful by being truthful to them. Next, we always tell that take care of your body, exercise, eat well. But we talk very little about taking care of the mind. हमें अपने बच्चों को अपने मन और अपने दिमाग का ध्यान रखना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. और वो कैसे पॉसिबल है कि गलत ना सोचें किसी के लिए, गलत ना करें किसी के साथ. Or maybe we should even practice small little exercises of breathing, meditation. और बहुत लंबी meditations करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Even 2 minutes or 1 minute of deep breathing is good enough to take care of the mind. So take care of the mind and take care of the body. This is going to help us in the long run to have a happy and fruitful life. Being grateful. Again, we have to practice being grateful for all small little things that are happening in our life. Because when we will keep saying thank you for everything, when we'll keep saying thank you for this lovely house, or thank you for this lovely food, thank you for the lovely kids I have, तो बच्चों को ये आदत पड़ जाएगी that we also have to be grateful, because being grateful is joyous. So let's teach our children to thank everyone for everything little, big, small that they do for us. Next, how do you like being treated? I think everyone likes that they should be treated well. So if we want that we should be treated well, we have to treat others well. So ये हमें अपने बच्चों को सिखाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अक्सर स्कूलों में पाया जाता है कि किसी बच्चे ने किसी को मार दिया, किसी बच्चे ने किसी के साथ अब्यूजिव लैंग्वेज यूज़ करी या बुली किया. तो ये सारी चीज़ें अगर हम किसी के साथ कर रहे हैं तो we have to be prepared that this is going to come back to us. So we have to treat everyone the way we want to be treated, and this we have to teach our children. And lastly, we have to teach our children never to give up. हमारे बच्चे बहुत जल्दी हताश हो जाते हैं because बहुत बार they see us giving up. So we have to showcase that anything and everything is possible. जो भी situation है, we'll deal with it. And this is how the children will learn that they should never give up. In their entire life, in the journey of learning, they will have a lot of ups and downs. बहुत सारे exams में वो बहुत अच्छा करेंगे, कभी नहीं अच्छा करेंगे, कभी दोस्ती बहुत अच्छी होंगी, कभी दोस्तियाँ अच्छी नहीं होंगी. So it's going to be a lot of ups and downs in life. So we have to teach our children never to give up. Challenges will help our children to grow. So all these 7 little suggestions, these ideas that we'll teach our children will 100% make our children very kind, confident and happy human beings. Happy parenting.